Since 1998, EThekwini Municipality has conducted an annual Municipal Services and Living Conditions Survey. The purpose of the survey is to supply the municipal decision makers with a clear understanding of residents' perceptions of their living conditions, their satisfaction with municipal services and their neighborhoods, as well as their satisfaction with the quality of their own lives. The survey has 9 main points of inquiry: national key performance areas, Batupili principles, mission and vision statement, household socio-economic details, housing and home improvement, household services and needs, municipal efficiency and billing, services and facilities in your community or suburb, personal well-being, transport and general perceptions of the city of Durban. A sample of 1,200 households in 40 randomly selected areas were visited in the survey. EThekwini Municipality's central region had the largest sample representation, with 37.5% of the total sample size. North followed at 35%, South at 20%, and West at 7.5% respectively. Of the 1,200 households visited, 73.3% are from formal residential areas, 9% are from informal settlement areas, while 5.2% are under rural area representation. The remainder comprises of those who reside in mixed settlement types. 93% of the targeted respondents are head of households, 7.3% are the spouses. 52% of the survey population are female and 48% male. 67.5% of respondents are African, 15% Asian, 12.5% white, and 5% colored. 67.2% of respondents occupy a house or formal structure. Formal low-cost housing provided by government follow at 17.6%, with flatlit in main dwelling and informal dwellings at 0.1% and 0.3% respectively. About 86.5% of the respondents own the dwellings they occupy. Survey findings. On being asked about the satisfaction levels of EThekwini Municipality, respondents believe that the municipality is performing well on 5 national key performance areas, despite the slight drop in satisfaction levels from 2016-17 to 2017-18. There was an all-round drop in Batupili principles in 2017-18 when compared to 2016-17. Respondents' general assessment of the achievement of the municipality's vision and mission shows marked improvement, except for feeling safe and protected in all parts of EThekwini, which have dropped in the past 3 years. EThekwini is regarded as a caring municipality. The 32.6% rating is a big improvement from last year's. There hasn't been much of a change in the household monthly incomes. In total, 53% of the respondents have a negative outlook on their earning potentials. However, a large number of the respondents in 2017-18 felt that the situation was as good as the previous year. Respondents trust the government in making changes to the economic situation through the creation of jobs at 42.6%, followed by the opening of economic opportunities at 24.8%. 27.6% of respondents feel that the economy will get better in the next 5 years, and 67.6% are optimistic about their economic situation. Residential improvement perception dropped from the 22% rise in 2015-16 and 27.5% in 2016-17, with the figures now sitting at 14.3%. Residents in both formal and informal dwellings are not satisfied with their dwellings as they are too small for their families. Overall satisfaction with basic household services remains satisfied in the current cycle. Satisfaction levels for water supply have risen. However, there's a dissatisfaction with water supply among some respondents due to the fact that the municipality is said to cut water without informing the respondents. Electricity service is said to be very expensive. Electricity supply has changed significantly, with 37.6% of respondents in 2017-18 utilizing electricity by prepaid card supply versus 52.6% from the previous year. The ratings for overall satisfaction with municipal service delivery has significantly improved in the satisfied category. Poor service delivery and no basic services are the highest rating in reasons for dissatisfaction with municipal services at 29.3%. The municipality's call center is rated to be good. billing efficiency is noted as satisfactory. 73.8% of the respondents still prefer to receive and pay the municipal bill through post. The municipality's effectiveness in making community facilities accessible are rated good or very good by users in the current cycle. There's a marginal dissatisfaction with the way rubbish is collected, with respondents saying that there's a lack of consistent and reliable rubbish collection from the municipality and its service providers. In rating of municipal performance on environment and conservation, 3 categories: keeping the public areas from being overgrown, limiting pollution of rivers and wetlands, and providing facilities for recycling waste, have moved from poor to good. The population in general are more satisfied with life in 2017-18, although there was still dissatisfaction around household income. EThekwini residents, on average, continue to have a very strong sense of belonging. There have been great improvements over the years on respondents' satisfaction with their health. There was an increase of people who access clinic services weekly and less than once a year, at 6.3% and 11.5% respectively for the year 2017-18, compared to the 1.9% and 10.7% recorded in 2016-17. There's been a significant all-round improvement on the respondents' perception of the CBD in the past 2 years. Crime victims have reduced greatly over the past 3 years, from victims of crime being 26% in 2015-16 to 11.8% in 2016-17, and currently sitting at 9.3%. More people are now aware of the Integrated Development Plan workshop, with 8.8% compared to the 6.3% in 2016-17. Ukhozi FM and SABC channels remain the clear favorites as sources to get EThekwini municipality-related reports. The average satisfaction with the types of public transport has increased. However, most of the respondents indicate that they would prefer using private transport. Convenience is stated as the major reason for this, with this figure rising from last year's percentage of 40 to 49.5% this year. Study conducted by Research and Policy Advocacy Department, Office of Strategic Management, EThekwini Municipality.